Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add captions in CapCut PC. If you are new to CapCut and you don't know how to add captions to your video, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app. Now, create a new project. Now import the video that you want to edit. For now, I'll choose this video. Click on import. Now to add the video to the timeline, simply you can click here on the plus icon, or you can simply drag this video to timeline like this. To add the captions, simply go on captions right here. You can choose any of the template from here. For now, I'll choose this one and click on plus to add it to the timeline like this. And now if you play the video, it will look like this. So we can make changes to this caption by clicking on it and change the words according to your need. And once you're happy, once you add your desired text, go back and play it. As you can see, the captions are added. And if you want to add more captions, simply click on the caption and copy the caption and paste it wherever you like this. And now you can change the words from here. We'll see how it looks by playing it. And just like this, we can add captions in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.